Are you a coach or maybe an online course creator or a consultant? Well, here's the thing. Your business could be way bigger by now. How do I know this? Well, there's loads of other coaches out there, loads of other online course creators, consultants, experts. And there's also loads of people who want coaching and want to buy information products. Now, those other coaches and consultants are getting loads and loads and loads of clients, right? The people who want the stuff are going to them and they're not going to you. So how do you get so many of these people who want coaching to come to you instead of going to all the other people out there? Well, my name's Oliver Denyer and I help experts scale their businesses. And I do this using the same stuff that I've used to get 7,000 paying customers into my coaching business. Now, I do this using paid advertising, and you may have actually seen one of my adverts on how to find hot products on Amazon. It's the one using the fidget spinner. It's had over 1.2 million views, and it's helped me get tons of clients into my coaching business. Now, I want to break down the mechanics of how I've done this and really scaled my coaching business to a massive level. And I want to invite you to a live masterclass where I'm going to walk you through exactly how I've done this. So, what's going to be on this session and why should you join? Well, there should be a link somewhere on the top right of the screen or the bottom left, depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, where you can check out the masterclass and sign up. Here's what we're going to cover. So we're going to talk about the type of stuff that I helped my friend Tigran do to grow his coaching business. Now, he was at the point where he was getting one client every 3 or 4 months with his business, and that was okay, but it wasn't enabling him to really hit his goals. So I taught him just a couple of small tweaks to make to his business. Now he gets 4 high-ticket clients every single month. This is what I said to him. I said, look, first of all, if you want to scale your business and get more clients, get more people in your world, then you have to make your audience bigger. All right? If you scale your audience, you're going to scale your business because there's more eyeballs on you. Whenever you offer something, more people will buy it. So this could be an email list, this could be a Facebook group full of people, it could be Facebook fans, it could be Instagram followers. Whatever it is, your audience is a bunch of people who are interested in your stuff. So on this masterclass, I'm going to give you the easiest way to scale your audience for free. This is something Tigran's been using for a while now, and the bottom line is now he gets 4 high-ticket clients every single month. That's on average 1 a week, and it's helped him grow his business. The second thing we're going to talk about is how to attract more of your ideal clients. Now, why would we be interested in attracting your ideal clients? Well, ideal clients are just everything, right? If we could just build a business of only ideal clients, then that's an ideal situation because they pay you what you're worth and they're happy to pay that, right? They're not going to have any hang-ups paying you the amount you truly deserve as a coach, right? They're awesome to work with. They're really enthusiastic about what you have to offer, and they actually take your advice and get results, right? So they're going to be the best testimonials for you. So how do you attract your ideal clients and repel everyone who's going to be a massive pain to work with? That's what we're going to cover. And then thirdly, we're going to talk about how to build a wildly successful coaching program and how I have coached hundreds of clients at the same time without having more than 2 hours a week to put into actual coaching on my calendar. How can you do this? How can you have hundreds of clients, get them all incredible results so they're super happy with the program, but not have to be doing one-to-one stuff every single free slot of your calendar each week? Now, this all in all is a ton of value you're going to get on this session. I'm also going to give you some free bonus gifts just as a thank you for showing up live. So click the button on your screen. It should be in the top right or the bottom left of your screen, depending on what device you're watching this on. You can sign up for the masterclass. It's 100% live. I'll be there. You can get your questions answered and everything. Sign up and I'll catch you on the session. Thanks so much for watching this, and I'll see you very soon.